Hello everyone. This is my group's condition presentation on neurodevelopmental disorder, specifically ADHD. This presentation is brought to you by group members Lisa Kerr and Christina Hunter. The introduction for neurodevelopmental disorder, ADHD. This presentation is describing the neurodevelopmental disorder, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, also known as ADHD. In this presentation, we will discuss an overview of what ADHD is through the DSM-5. Next, we will include a video of someone living with ADHD, specifically an adult. And lastly, we will include 3 helpful websites for further information and educational purposes related to ADHD.